Meditation, a word so simple and yet so mysterious. We've all heard about it, maybe from a friend, a book, or a fleeting social media post. Some call it a spiritual practice, others describe it as a mental workout, and some see it as an ancient tool for self-discovery. But behind all the definitions, one truth remains. Meditation has the power to change your life, from the inside out. In a world filled with noise, distractions, and endless responsibilities, learning how to pause, to breathe, and to truly be present is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. And the beautiful part is, you don't need fancy equipment, expensive retreats, or even years of training. You only need yourself, a little patience, and the willingness to begin. In today's guide, we're going to walk deeply into the art of meditation. We'll explore what meditation really is, why it matters, and how you can begin your own practice, even if you've never tried it before. We'll also uncover the science, the spiritual wisdom, and the practical steps that will empower you to sit quietly and discover the vast universe within you. So, let's take this journey together. Take a deep breath, settle in, and let's unlock the practice of meditation, step by step. Meditation has often been wrapped in mystery, but at its heart, it is very simple. Meditation is the practice of focusing your mind to achieve clarity, calm, and presence. Imagine the mind as a restless ocean, waves of thoughts, emotions, and distractions constantly crashing. Meditation is not about stopping the waves. It's about learning how to sit by the shore, to watch the ocean, and to realize that you are not the storm. You are the witness. At its most basic level, meditation trains the mind to focus and redirect thoughts. Often the breath becomes the anchor. By simply noticing the inhale and the exhale, you create a tether to the present moment. This tether becomes a safe harbor, allowing you to return again and again, even when your mind drifts away. And drift it will. Every meditation teacher will tell you the same truth. Wandering is inevitable. The practice is not about eliminating wandering thoughts. It's about noticing them and gently returning. This is where the magic begins. Every return to the breath strengthens your attention, just like lifting a weight strengthens a muscle. But meditation is more than technique. It's also a profound practice of kindness. When your mind wanders, you don't scold yourself or feel like a failure. You simply smile inwardly and return. This self-compassion is not weakness. It's the very foundation of mindfulness. As Sharon Salzberg, a pioneer in modern meditation teaching, once said, she thought she could focus on 800 breaths before wandering. Instead, her mind drifted after just one. And that was the lesson. Meditation is not about perfect focus, it's about perfect willingness to return. Part 2. Why learn how to meditate? Now that we understand what meditation is, the next question arises. Why bother? After all, our schedules are already overflowing. Why add yet another practice? The answer lies in the profound benefits meditation brings, not just to the mind, but to the body, the emotions, and even our relationships. First, meditation lowers stress. In a society addicted to speed, stress has become the silent epidemic. Cortisol levels rise, sleep declines, and our health suffers. But meditation interrupts this cycle. Studies show that even a few minutes a day can regulate stress hormones, calm the nervous system, and restore a sense of balance. Second, meditation teaches us to understand our pain. Pain, whether physical, emotional, or psychological, is often amplified by resistance. We push it away, we fight it, we deny it. Meditation invites us to sit with it, to witness it without judgment, and to allow healing to unfold. This simple act of awareness often transforms suffering into insight. Third, meditation enhances our connections with others. By cultivating mindfulness and empathy, we learn to listen more deeply, to communicate more authentically, and to love with greater patience. Meditation dissolves the invisible walls we build around ourselves, reminding us of our shared humanity. Fourth, meditation improves focus. In a digital age of endless notifications and distractions, attention has become one of the rarest resources. Meditation trains the mind to stay present. Over time, this practice sharpens your ability to work, study, and create with deeper clarity and fewer interruptions. And fifth, meditation quiets the endless chatter of the mind. That inner voice, the critic, the worrier, the planner, never seems to stop. Through meditation, you begin to see these thoughts as passing clouds, not ultimate truths. What emerges is a clearer, more peaceful inner landscape. But beyond science and health benefits, there is something deeper. Meditation reconnects you with yourself. It reminds you that you are more than your stress, your struggles, or your to-do lists. It reveals the simple joy of being alive here and now. And that is a gift no material possession can replace. Part 3. How to Meditate, a Practical Guide. At this point, you might be asking, how do I begin? The beauty of meditation is that it requires no special tools or elaborate rituals. It is simple, accessible, and endlessly adaptable. Let's walk through the basic steps. Step 1. Take a seat. Choose a place that feels calm and quiet. It could be a chair, a cushion, or even the edge of your bed. What matters is not how it looks, but how stable and comfortable you feel. Step 2. Set a time limit. If you're just starting, 5 minutes is enough. Think of meditation not as a marathon, but as a gentle daily habit. Over time, you can expand to 10, 15, or more minutes. The consistency matters far more than the duration. Step 3. Notice your body. Whether you sit cross-legged, kneel, or place your feet firmly on the ground, the key is to be relaxed yet alert. Imagine a string gently lifting the crown of your head while your shoulders soften. Stability and ease, that is the posture of meditation. Step 4. Feel your breath. Close your eyes if you like, and bring your attention to the inhale and the exhale. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air passing through your nostrils. The breath is your anchor, the simple, ever-present rhythm that grounds you in the moment. Step 5. Notice when your mind wanders. It will happen. Thoughts will arise about your day, your tasks, your memories. The moment you realize you've drifted, you celebrate. Why? Because awareness has returned. Simply guide your attention back to the breath without judgment. Step 6. Be kind to your wandering mind. Don't measure your success by how still your mind is. Measure it by how gently you return. Every return is progress. Every return is growth. Finally, step 7. Close with kindness. When your time is up, slowly open your eyes. Take in the sounds, the sensations, the feelings of the present moment. Carry that awareness with you as you rise. Meditation does not end when the timer stops. It flows into your life, into your choices, into your way of being. Remember this: meditation is not about perfection. It's about presence. Every breath you take consciously is a step into freedom. So here we are. We've explored what meditation is, why it matters, and how you can begin. And maybe, just maybe, you're ready to try it for yourself. Remember, meditation isn't about becoming someone new. It's about becoming more fully yourself. Start small, breathe deeply, return often, and above all, be kind to yourself in the process. The most powerful moment is not when your mind is perfectly still. It's when you choose to sit, to breathe, and to believe that change is possible. Meditation is both ancient and timeless, simple and profound. It is a gift waiting for you right here in this moment. So take it, begin today, and step into the stillness that has always been within you. Thank you for walking this path with me. Until next time, breathe, be present, and keep shining.